I hope you have your swim trunks ready because this week on Theme Park Bar, we're heading to the Walt Disney World Resort for one of the most highly requested videos I've had since the channel's inception, the Disney pool bar staple, the Pina Colava. Hello, my name is Matt and welcome to Theme Park Bar. I am a career bartender and an Orlando native who wants to show you how to make the best signature drinks from around the world and across the universe. Here at Theme Park Bar, we know the best attractions are the ones served in a glass. If you like Pina Coladas, you're gonna love this drink. Alright, I'm sorry, I'll leave the singing to the professionals. In all seriousness though, if you're a fan of the Pina Colada, you're gonna love this week's video. The Pina Colava is one of Disney's most popular drinks, and it's a drink I have gotten requested more than any other on the channel or even as a bartender not working at Disney. People be like, hey, I had this drink at Disney World, can you make this for me? Well, I want to show you how to make it at home this week. Disney, and well, a lot of bars around the world I've talked about before, like to do this thing where you get a very popular cocktail, you change one or two ingredients ever so slightly, and you make it your own magical drink. The Pina Colava is the best example of that I can think of. Now, Pina Colava sounds a lot like Pina Colada. However, this is a riff on a more niche cocktail, but still very popular, known as a Miami Vice. Also known in circles somewhere as a pain in the ass. Some people call it a lava flow as well. There's a bunch of different names for it. It's essentially strawberry daiquiri and pina colada mixed together. A lot of bartenders, myself included, really like to cheat though, where we'll just make you a standard pina colada, toss in some strawberry daiquiri mix or strawberry puree in the bottom of the glass and mix it in here. The Pina Colava is going to go off those same principles. Now, the Pina Colada, a lot of us think of it as just that pool bar drink, but there's some really rich history in it. The origins of it actually date back as far as the 19th century, with pirates mixing coconut and pineapple with their rum to make a wonderful cocktail. However, it's officially recognized as becoming a true cocktail in 1954, and in 1974, just 20 years later, became the official cocktail of Puerto Rico. A drink has to be pretty dang important for it to become the official drink of, you know, an entire territory, an entire island. This is the island drink of all island drinks. Now, to make the Pina Colada is going to be insanely easy. All you're going to need, 2 ounces of raspberry rum, 4 ounces of pina colada drink mix, and 1 ounce of raspberry puree. Now, yeah, I did say drink mix, and pina coladas, you know, it's one of those things you can find tons and tons and tons of drink mixes in stores online. Lots of great products out there. You guys know I do like to make stuff fresh though. If I can, I think fresh is best. So I want to show you how to make my homemade pina colada drink mix. It's incredibly quick and easy to throw together, just like everything else in this cocktail. All you need is 1 can of Coco Lopez, equal parts pineapple juice, and 1 pineapple cut into chunks and blend it together. Now, I like to use the homemade stuff with the fresh pineapple, using the natural fibers and pectins in there. It's going to emulsify the drink, make it a little thicker without having that crazy xanthan gum, the thickening agents, and I find it to be just a little less sweet, a little less artificial, less sugar in there. Now, the batch I'm making is going to give you about 10 cocktails because, you know, when you're making pina coladas, you're not making one, you're making rounds for all of your friends. If you only want to make one though, I will leave a recipe down below for individual pina colada ratios for you. Anyways, let's get this cocktail actually made though. All right, so let's go ahead and get this Pina Colava whipped up here for you really quickly. It's a blended drink, it's a frozen drink, guys, it's a Pina Colada. You know what we're doing here. Very first thing you're gonna need to do, bust out your blender. Hey, this is gonna be a fast one to throw together, really quick and easy. 2 ounces of your raspberry flavored rum. Now, of course, if you used regular rum, non-flavored, you'd have a straight pina colada. 2 ounces right there in the blender. Follow that up with 4 ounces of your homemade pina colada mix or store-bought if you want. You know, we got that good stuff here though. And all you need from there is to fill her up with ice. We're gonna use about 1.5 cups, maybe 2 cups or so, just when it feels right. So about 1.5 cups of ice, toss it right in there. Go ahead and toss on your lid. You guys are smart, you know where this is heading. Go ahead and turn it on. All right, doing this backwards is always a little bit difficult. Ah! take a look-see there. Toss in more ice if you need. You want to make sure you have a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. Set your blender aside, pull up your serving glass. I'm using a hurricane-style tulip glass because, you know, it's pretty. It's pretty. It looks pretty. That's really like 90% of bartending. It's just making a drink look pretty. So you get your serving glass and you're gonna pull up your raspberry puree. You're gonna wanna throw in about an ounce in here. Now, stuff like this, I never really measure out. I just do it by feel, I do it by eye. You just want an ounce. Try to get it as much on around the rim of the glass so it drips down there. Kind of get this all over. Preferably in the glass. Hey, and just like that, it's time to pour it in there. I like to get a little bit of height on this one. You don't want any splashback, but a little more gravity working for you is going to help everything kind of blend together and get that swirly color thing going on here. Pour the Pina Colava mixture. Nice. All right, already looking beautiful. Let's go and throw a quick garnish on there. Have a pineapple wedge and a little basic Betty cherry action. Just to bring it over the top, got a couple of pineapple leaves here as well. And there you go, just that quickly and easily. One of the most highly requested cocktails I've ever gotten as a bartender or as a YouTube bartender here. The Pina Colava. Very straightforward. Raspberry rum, pina colada mix, raspberry puree. Straightforward, quick, easy, beautiful, pretty, Instagrammable vacation in the glass. Let's go ahead and give this one a taste. First, this needs a straw. Here we go. Sampling time. My favorite time. I know it's yours too. Oh, damn, that is very damn good. I mean, what is there not to like about this? Pina colada. It's a raspberry pina colada. I mean, it's really straightforward. If you don't like pina coladas, I guess you just don't like vacation. You don't like summer. You don't like being at the beach, being at the pool, or having a good time. This is exactly what I want in a summertime cocktail. I mean, what is not to love about this? I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love raspberry. I prefer raspberry over strawberry, or cherry or blue, any airy, berry, cherry, whatever. Raspberry is my go-to. Incorporating that with the traditional fan favorite, everyone loves a pina colada. I mean, this drink is just damn good. There's not really much I can say about it because it's very straightforward. If you like pina coladas, if you like raspberry, you're gonna frickin' love this thing. And hey, if you don't like pina coladas and you don't like raspberries, you're not gonna like this. It's really pretty much that clear cut. It's nothing too crazy, nothing really exotic about it. Traditional bar flavors, a little bit of a Disney magic twist by throwing in the raspberry in there. Very, very, very good. Pool time, beach time, summertime, pina colada. You want it in your hand, you're gonna cool your ass off just like that. Oh. All right, that's gonna do it this week here for the Pina Colava here at Theme Park Bar. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you did. It's a pina colada. Who doesn't like a pina colada? If you did, give the video a little bit of a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm do some algorithm-y things. And hey, if you're new here and you enjoyed the video, maybe hit that subscribe button as well. You'll become one of my bar regulars and you'll never miss another drink that I'm serving up here just for you. That's right, I'm making these for you. Hey, also, you know, summer it's a fun time to party and hang out at the pool. Tell me in the comments below, what are you drinking? Are you drinking pina coladas? Are you drinking margaritas, daiquiris? You pounded down White Claws? Hey, you guys know it. There are no laws when you're drinking claws. Let me know down below what you're drinking this summer. You can chat with me all over the internet as well about cocktails, theme parks, summertime, or I don't know, really anything you want. All over social media, Twitter and Instagram, both of which are going to be at ThemeParkBar. And you can follow the links down below to support the channel as well by picking up some wonderful merch or heading to patreon.com/ThemeParkBar. Hey, remember now, when you're going out this summer, any time of the year really, make sure you're always being safe, you drink responsibly, and you never forget to tip your bartenders. Also, remember when you're going swimming, apply that sunscreen, wait 45 minutes before you go swimming as well. I don't want you to get a cramp and someone pull you out and have to give you CPR because Lord knows I ain't giving you mouth to mouth. Or am I?